In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to a Microsoft Teams meeting using a meeting code. Whether you're working from home or attending a virtual gathering, knowing how to efficiently join a meeting is crucial. So let's dive right in. To get started, open your Microsoft Teams app. If you don't have it already installed, simply download it from the official Microsoft website and complete the installation process. Once the app is open, you'll want to sign in. Use your work account, if applicable, or any other Microsoft account that you use for Teams. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the Teams home interface. On the left-hand side, you'll see a variety of tabs, such as Activity, Chat, Teams, and Calendar. Direct your attention to the Calendar tab and click on it. This area is your hub for all scheduled meetings, appointments, and events. In the Calendar view, move your gaze to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll look for an option marked Join with an ID. This could appear as either a button or a small link, but it should be prominently displayed for easy access. This functionality allows you to join a meeting by entering a specific code, bypassing the need for a direct invitation. Now let's turn our focus to your meeting ID. If you don't have it handy, make sure you obtain it from the meeting organizer or look for it in your email or calendar invite. Once you have the meeting ID ready, paste it into the designated field. In some cases, you may also need a passcode to proceed. If prompted, make sure to enter this meeting passcode. It's an additional security measure, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access the meeting. Once you've entered both the meeting ID and the passcode, you're almost ready to join the meeting. Click Join to proceed, but before you officially enter the meeting, you'll see a pre-join screen. This is your chance to make any necessary adjustments to your microphone and camera settings. Ensure your video is on if you wish to be seen, and verify that your microphone is working correctly. Once satisfied with your settings, hit the Join Now button to enter the meeting, and just like that, you've successfully connected to a Microsoft Teams meeting using a code. By following these steps, you're all set to join any future meetings using an ID and passcode. It's a handy feature that allows you to connect quickly and securely. With practice, these actions will become second nature, allowing you to focus more on your engagements and less on the technicalities. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating Microsoft Teams